The EWEADN Typewriter style mechanical keyboard is a striking blend of retro aesthetics and modern functionality, designed for those who want both style and performance on their desk. With its classic typewriter-inspired design, round keycaps, and metal panel construction, this keyboard immediately stands out as a statement piece. The tactile yet quiet pink switches provide a smooth, linear typing experience, allowing for fast, precise keystrokes without the harsh click of traditional mechanical switches. Whether you're typing up documents, gaming, or just enjoying the sensory feel of each press, it offers a satisfying balance of comfort and responsiveness. One of the key highlights of this keyboard is its backlit LED system. With 19 customizable lighting effects and 5 levels of adjustable brightness, you can tailor the look to match your setup or mood. The media control knob adds a layer of convenience, letting you quickly adjust volume, skip tracks, or control lighting without leaving your workflow or game. This keyboard isn't just about looks. It's fully functional with 104-key anti-ghosting, ensuring that every keypress is registered accurately, even during fast-paced gaming or complex typing sequences. Compatibility is another strong point. The EWEADN keyboard supports Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, with an easy FN plus tab switch to toggle between platforms. The included USB-C cable provides a stable and fast connection, minimizing latency and maintaining consistent performance. Build quality is top-notch, featuring a sturdy aluminum panel and electroplated keycaps that resist wear and add a premium feel. Even the small details, like the floating key design, contribute to a polished, high-quality typing experience. For anyone who loves a retro typewriter aesthetic but needs modern mechanical performance, the EWEADN Typewriter-style mechanical keyboard delivers. It combines durability, functionality, and style, making it an ideal choice for gamers, writers, and office users alike. The combination of customizable lighting, media controls, and satisfying tactile feedback makes it not just a tool, but a centerpiece for any desk setup. This keyboard proves that you don't have to sacrifice style for performance. It gives you both in one compelling package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.